Starting around 02 July 2023, a share boundlessness sort of is exchanging at $6.23 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.97% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Axie sort of has a kind of all-out market cap of $742,623,281, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $115,073,722, which explicitly is very critical. This makes a share endlessness, Axie, genuinely positioning at 59 in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the share limitlessness cost forecast finish of 2023, what will a share boundlessness truly be worth in 2023? Or so they generally thought. Is a share boundlessness a very wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? Will Axie's cost really outperform its unsurpassed high? These in a real sense are our share boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, or so they explicitly thought. A share limitlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023. As per the share boundlessness figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost is supposed to especially cross a fundamentally normal value level of $7.51, the normal for the most part least value worth of a share vastness, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to in every way that really matters, be $7.20 in an unpretentious way. Besides, Axie can generally arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $8.33, which sort of is genuinely critical. Axie's value estimate July 2023. The share limitlessness gauge for July 2023 expects that the Axie may in every practical sense arrive at an all things considered most extreme worth of $6.73 with a truly least cost of around $5.98, or so they truly thought. Discussing the especially normal value, Axie can stretch around $6.54 for July in every way that really matters, huge way. Axie's value conjecture August 2023. With respect to August 2023, a share boundlessness in a real sense is supposed to for the most part arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $6.43, or so they certainly thought. The Axie's cost could generally arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $6.99, with the sort of typical cost around $6.68, showing that this for the most part makes a share endlessness, Axie's kind of positioning at 59 in the digital currency market, which sort of is genuinely critical. A share limitlessness, Axie's value estimate September 2023. The share boundlessness, Axie's cost for September 2023 may especially arrive at a by and large least worth of $6.63, while the truly most extreme determined cost for the most part is around $7.33. The very normal cost for Axie generally is somewhat anticipated to reach $6.94 in September 2023. Exhibiting how Axie truly has a complete market cap of $742,623,281, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $115,073,722 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie's value conjecture October 2023. The share boundlessness figure for October 2023 expects that the Axie may sort of arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $7.61, with a truly least cost of around $6.84, in an especially significant manner. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Axie can stretch around $7.15 for October amazingly. A share boundlessness value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the by and large greatest cost for a share vastness could really stretch around $7.96 in an especially significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Axie in November 2023 in a real sense is $6.98, with a fundamentally normal cost of $7.29 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie's value figure December 2023. The share endlessness estimate for December 2023 expects that the Axie may for the most part arrive at a truly greatest worth of $8.33, with a truly least cost of around $7.20. So these in a real sense are our share limitlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, which by and large is very huge. Discussing the essentially normal value Axie can explicitly stretch around $7.51 for December. which is very huge. A sheer vastness sort of past value examination and the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto most certainly has been fundamentally diminished by 0.09% in its ongoing worth, which really is very critical. Assuming we generally look at the sort of current market cap of the Axies with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap sort of is additionally down, showing the way that discussing the typical value axis can generally stretch around $6.54 for July, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. From most recent 7 days, the axis explicitly was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 4.42% in a sort of large manner. A sheer endlessness by and large has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense. Great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, demonstrating the way that the axis cost could especially arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $6.99, with the truly normal cost around $6.68, exhibiting that this certainly makes a sheer vastness axis lovely positioning at 59 in the digital money market in a very significant manner. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of axis generally diminished by 33.694%. Dispensing with an incredible certainly normal amount of $3.17 from its genuinely current worth, or so they basically thought. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a decent sort of purchase of potential open door for speedy speculation, by and large further appearance. How Axie's value estimate October 2023. The sheer limitlessness conjecture for October 2023 expects that the Axis may sort of arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $7.61, with a base cost of around $6.84, which generally is very huge. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 46.88%, and the cost in every practical sense coursed from a kind of least in every practical sense normal cost of $10.80 to sort of greatest sort of normal cost of $12.31 in the truly beyond 90 days, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. A sheer boundlessness is somewhere near 6.28%, with the especially most extreme truly normal cost of the coin certainly was around $6.96, and the base certainly normal cost of especially was around $6.76 in fundamentally beyond 4 months, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. A sheer limitlessness value gauge 2023 facts what will explicitly be a sheer vastness in every practical sense worth in 2023, which all things considered is genuinely huge. The Axis cost generally is estimated to especially arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $8.33, with essentially least cost of $7.20 toward the finish of 2023, or so they especially thought. Does a sheer vastness in every way that really matters have a future, or so they explicitly thought? As far as value, a sheer vastness generally has an exceptional pretty